The 1WVW pin tactical Molle pouch offers a perfect combination of rugged durability and functional design. Made from high-density 1000D nylon, it is water-resistant and built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its compact size is ideal for carrying small essentials like flashlights, multi-tools, or first aid kits, while the multiple compartments and elastic loops ensure your gear stays organized and within easy reach. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing your everyday carry setup, this pouch integrates seamlessly with Molle-compatible backpacks or vests, making it versatile for any adventure. For just $7.99, it's an incredibly budget-friendly way to upgrade your EDC setup. Lightweight yet robust, this pouch is designed for ease of use and adaptability. Its reinforced stitching ensures long-lasting performance, while the sleek profile keeps it compact and easy to carry. The secure straps and reliable zippers make it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone who values quick access to their gear. At a price point of $7.99, it delivers premium features without the premium price tag, making it an excellent value for everyday adventurers. The GIRIAITUS Carabiner Multitool takes everyday carry to a new level with its versatile 8-in-1 design. This compact carabiner integrates essential tools like a bottle opener, screwdriver, hex wrenches, and even a box cutter, ensuring you're prepared for a wide range of tasks. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to handle rugged use while remaining lightweight and portable. Perfect for camping, traveling, or everyday tasks. This multi-tool keeps functionality within arm's reach, all for $18.99. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the secure carabiner clip allows you to attach it to backpacks, belt loops, or keychains effortlessly. The matte finish adds a sleek touch to its rugged build, making it both practical and stylish. With its ability to combine multiple tools into one compact package, the GIRIAITUS Multitool is an essential addition to any EDC kit. At $18.99, it's a small investment for big convenience and reliability. The NEBO Torchy Pocket Flashlight delivers an impressive 1,000 lumens in a sleek pocket-sized design that's perfect for everyday use. With 5 light modes, including a powerful turbo setting and a strobe for emergencies, this flashlight adapts to any situation with ease. The durable aluminum construction is impact-resistant and water-resistant, making it suitable for both outdoor adventures and everyday carry. For $25.43, you get professional-grade lighting power in the palm of your hand. Equipped with a rechargeable battery and USB-C compatibility, the NEBO Torchy ensures long-lasting performance without the hassle of disposable batteries. Its magnetic base adds versatility, allowing hands-free use when needed. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to illuminate vast areas, this flashlight is a must-have for EDC enthusiasts. At $25.43, it's a high-value addition to your toolkit, combining reliability, performance, and portability. The EverRatchet Titanium Multitool redefines convenience with its innovative design that keeps a ratcheting mechanism at your fingertips. This bladeless multi-tool features a screwdriver, fire starter, wrench, and bottle opener, among other tools, making it an indispensable companion for everyday tasks and outdoor adventures. The titanium construction ensures unmatched durability, while keeping the tool lightweight and easy to carry. At $35.99, it's a premium option for those who demand more from their gear. The unique ratcheting mechanism allows for continuous rotation, speeding up tasks and adding efficiency to your workflow. The compact design fits effortlessly on keychains or in pockets, ensuring it's always within reach. Whether you're tightening bolts, starting a fire, or opening a cold drink, the EverRatchet delivers versatility in a sleek package. At $35.99, it's a cutting-edge multi-tool that justifies its price with innovative features and durable craftsmanship. The Gerber Gear Asada combines rugged functionality with sleek modern design, making it an essential tool for EDC enthusiasts. Featuring a 3.2-inch D2 steel blade, this folding knife offers exceptional sharpness and durability, perfect for tackling everyday cutting tasks or handling more demanding situations. The flipper opening mechanism and smooth ball-bearing pivot ensure effortless, one-handed operation, while the frame lock mechanism keeps the blade secure during use. Built with an anodized aluminum handle, it delivers a comfortable grip without adding unnecessary weight. At $46, this knife offers premium craftsmanship at a competitive price. Compact yet sturdy, the Asada is designed to be as versatile as it is dependable. Its sleek profile and pocket clip make it easy to carry, while the blade's corrosion resistance ensures longevity, even with regular use. Whether you're slicing rope, opening packages, or preparing food outdoors, this knife handles every task with precision. For just $46, the Gerber Gear Asada is a high-value addition to any EDC collection. The T-Conceal EDC fidget sliders blend function with fun, offering a stylish way to relieve stress while keeping a discreet, tactical edge. Crafted from precision-machined materials, these sliders feature a magnetic mechanism that delivers a satisfying click with every slide, providing endless entertainment during idle moments. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry in your pocket or add to your EDC setup, offering a unique blend of practicality and stress relief. At $49.99, this fidget slider is an investment in both relaxation and style. Beyond its fidget appeal, the T-Conceal sliders are built with durability in mind, ensuring they can withstand daily wear and tear. The design includes a textured surface for enhanced grip and a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that pairs well with other EDC tools. Whether you're using it as a conversation starter or a stress reliever, this gadget adds a playful yet functional touch to your everyday carry. At $49.99, it's a fun and versatile accessory that complements any gear collection. The PETAC Gear Tactical Battle Belt is a robust and versatile solution for carrying essential gear in high-demand situations. Made from durable 1000D nylon with reinforced stitching, this belt provides exceptional strength and reliability for tactical applications, outdoor activities, or heavy-duty work. The Molle-compatible design allows you to attach pouches, holsters, and other accessories, customizing it to suit your specific needs. At $53.99, this battle belt combines durability and adaptability in a single, high-performance package. Designed for comfort as well as functionality, the belt features a padded interior and adjustable straps for a secure fit during extended use. The quick-release buckle ensures easy on and off, while the rugged construction guarantees it can handle the weight of multiple attachments without sagging. Whether you're on the range, in the field, or at the job site, the PETAC Gear Tactical Battle Belt delivers dependable performance for $53.99. The OLIGHT O Pen Pro is a multifunctional LED pen that combines practicality with sleek design. Delivering up to 120 lumens of light, it serves as both a high-performance flashlight and a stylish writing instrument, making it an essential tool for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting power, while the magnetic USB charging port adds convenience. Compact and elegant, the Open Pro is a sophisticated addition to any EDC setup, priced at $69.95. What sets this pen apart is its clever integration of features, including a laser pointer and a durable anodized aluminum body for enhanced durability. The smooth ink flow ensures an excellent writing experience, while the light modes make it versatile for everything from illuminating dark spaces to giving presentations. Whether you're jotting down notes or navigating in low light, the O Pen Pro combines functionality and style for $69.95. The RovyVon Angel Eyes E30 Pro is a cutting-edge flashlight designed for EDC enthusiasts who demand both style and functionality. Delivering an impressive 700 lumens from its compact dual light setup, it offers incredible brightness in a sleek and portable form. Crafted from durable materials, the E30 Pro is built to withstand harsh conditions while remaining lightweight and pocket-friendly. Its rechargeable battery ensures hours of dependable performance, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or everyday use. At $89.95, this flashlight offers premium performance at an accessible price. What sets the Angel Eyes E30 Pro apart is its hybrid design, featuring a floodlight and spotlight mode for versatile illumination. The intuitive interface makes it easy to switch between modes, while the durable construction ensures longevity even with frequent use. Whether you're lighting up a trail, navigating at night, or preparing for the unexpected, this flashlight delivers reliable power and precision. For $89.95, it's a valuable addition to any EDC setup. The ACEBEAM M2X flat flashlight is a powerhouse of illumination, delivering an astounding 2,000 lumens with a beam distance of up to 1,000 meters. Its slim, flat design makes it easy to carry and store, while the robust aluminum construction ensures durability for even the toughest outdoor adventures. Designed with an IP68 waterproof rating, the M2X thrives in harsh conditions, whether it's heavy rain or dusty environments. Perfect for search and rescue missions, hiking, or professional applications, this flashlight balances portability and high performance seamlessly. At $144.99, it offers premium build quality and outstanding brightness. What sets the M2X apart is its advanced functionality. Equipped with multiple brightness settings and a user-friendly interface, it allows precise control for various lighting needs. The efficient battery system provides extended runtime, ensuring reliability during extended use. Compact yet exceptionally powerful, the ACEBEAM M2X flat flashlight is an essential tool for anyone who demands dependable illumination. For $144.99, it's a worthy investment in cutting-edge lighting technology. The Tactical Geek Tactuator 12 titanium bolt redefines the everyday pen with a luxurious and tactical twist. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this bolt-action pen combines elegance with unparalleled durability. The smooth bolt-action mechanism provides a satisfying tactile experience, making it as enjoyable to use as it is functional. Whether for writing, self-defense, or simply as a statement piece, the Tactuator 12 delivers a blend of style and utility at $295.99. This pen is not just about aesthetics, it's designed for maximum practicality. The refillable design ensures long-term use, while the anti-slip grip makes it comfortable for extended writing sessions. Its robust build makes it suitable for rugged environments, yet its sleek design fits seamlessly into professional settings. Whether you're an EDC collector or looking for a premium writing instrument, the Tactuator 12 titanium bolt is worth every penny at $295.99. The Insta360 GO 3S takes portable action cameras to a whole new level, delivering stunning 2.7K video quality in a compact wearable design. Weighing just 35 grams, it's perfect for capturing adventures hands-free, thanks to its magnetic mounting system. Advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth footage, whether you're hiking, biking, or documenting your day-to-day life. With a built-in rechargeable battery and seamless app integration, the GO 3S makes capturing and sharing moments effortless at $477. Beyond its portability, the Insta360 GO 3S excels with features like time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow-motion recording, giving users creative control over their content. Its water-resistant design and robust build make it suitable for outdoor activities, while the intuitive controls make it user-friendly even for beginners. At $477, this camera combines cutting-edge technology and versatility, making it a must-have for content creators and adventure enthusiasts alike.